Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to go on a little road trip over to my dad's. He's got a Kubota tractor that has a front mount snowblower on it, and he's having a little trouble. So we're going to go over and take a look, see what's going on. After talking to him, I think it's just a shear pin. So I'm going to stop at the Kubota dealer down the road here, and we'll get shear pins for the auger and shear pins for the fan, and hopefully that's the simple solution. But he's about 45 minutes from here. And first, it's that time of year for probably most everyone. We got to go and stop and pay the property tax. So let's unload that, and we'll get on over there. So if anybody ever wonders why my truck is so dirty, this is it. I do live on a dirt road. Well, apparently it's a little slick out. No stopping at that stop sign today. Beautiful morning today. Still cold, but it's blue skies and sunny. I'll take it. All right, next stop, Kubota dealer. So just so you know, it was like -5 out this morning. You're not going to ever catch me running in -5 unless I'm being chased by a bear. One of the other things that our town is doing today, there's a state park there, and they're doing the polar bear challenge. So, man, I just can't do that myself. I know everybody's got a little crazy in them, but that's like full-blown insane. And if you've done it, hey, good for you. It's just not something that I've never wanted to do. First stop coming up. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what we can figure out for Dad's snowblower. Get him up and operational again here. Okay guys, we're here with Dad, and we're going to take a look at his snowblower. So first of all, he's got a Bx1870. He's had this for about 5 or 6 years now. I'll get you the model number for the snowblower here in a little bit. So, Pop, what happened?
It stopped blowing snow.
Okay.
This thing kept moving.
The augers kept moving. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll take
The impeller stopped.
this guy here. Just spins by hand. So it's a simple fix. It's just a shear pin. So we'll take care of that and get you up and running again.
Well, that's good.
So you'll see down in here, that's the bolt bracket that you have to line up. So all we're going to do is spin it till they line up. Right about there, and then we'll put a bolt in.
And that's all we need?
Let's hope. What you don't want to do is over tighten these because it's a shear bolt, and that'll do just that. If you over tighten it, it's just going to break again.
Okay.
So let's fire it up and we'll just make sure it spins.
All right.
And there's your model number for the snowblower. Alright, that sounds like we still got a fan paddle that's still hitting the steel a little bit, but it's spinning. Well, okay guys, that was probably the most basic, simplest fix that we could have done. But Dad's at the age where he kind of has a hard time doing a lot of those little things, and he really appreciates you know, any help that I can give him. You know, we're 45-50 minutes away from each other, so getting there and going home eats up a little bit of time. You know, you do those kind of things for the people that you love, and so we'll see what else we can get done today. But for now, it was just about helping the family and doing the right thing today.